Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this kids LED bike helmet. So my daughter has been using this for a month now, and this is a great helmet to have for your kids. I love how on the back it has the LED screen that it'll show the people that are behind them if they're going to turn right, turn left, stop, and then it even shows different LED pictures in here. So let me show you how it works and how well it looks. So you see, here's the helmet. It has a detachable visor right here. And it has some ventilations on top, on the sides. Here's your LED screen. You can adjust it right here for them. It has some cushioning on the chin rest, and even on the top of the head, there's some cushioning. Here, you see here, this is where you charge it with the USB-C charger and the on and off button. So let me turn it on. So you just long press the on button. So you can see here, it shows the battery level. It also comes with this controller right here that you can attach to your bike handle. You just wrap this like so and it attaches there. So with this controller, you could press the left button and it shows they're going to turn left. You press the right button, it shows they're going to turn right. You press the up arrow, it changes to the different LED picture, which are all very cool. It's a lot of different options. And then down just brings it back to the previous. And then you can even attach like a lanyard here if you want to put it somewhere else. Say if you're using the skateboard and then you just put this around your neck, and then if you're going to turn, then you just use this. So let me show you how it looks with my daughter. I'm wearing it. This is how the helmet looks with this on, being outside. And there's different designs that you can see. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great LED kids bike helmet. I like how the helmet has a hard plastic, so it protects their head. I also like how it has the controller that you could just control this right here. I also like how it has the visor, very cool, and all the cushioning that it has on the top and on the chin rest, and the battery life lasts a decent amount of time on a single charge. So this is a great buy for your little ones.